Okay, y'all, so I got my palm oil. I got my palm oil in here. I'm doing some spinach stew, y'all. I'm trying to make it quick. So, what I'm going to do is, this is going to be bad. I think it's going to be bad. So, I'm going to add my, hold on, y'all. This is ginger. And I know I ain't doing this exactly the way I should be doing it. But I want to cook my, this is ginger, jalapeno peppers, because I didn't have no, I didn't have any habanero pepper. But I actually bought some from the African restaurant. So I got it like a sauce on the side, and I'm gonna add this when I eat it. So yeah, we got in this, we got garlic, ginger, and jalapeno pepper, and it's like a little bit of red bell pepper in there as well, but it's just a little bit, not a lot. You can't even see them probably. So I'm gonna cook this for about 3 minutes, y'all. Let that ginger cook down and stuff, so it won't be crunchy in my soup. So it won't be crunchy in my soup. And then we're gonna add our I got some tomatoes blended with some red bell peppers. Y'all see that red bell pepper on there? Yes, and that's gonna give us that good flavor. So we got our palm oil with our little bit of garlic and ginger in there. Yes, honey. I'm gonna add some onions in here too, though. I got some onions in here too. So I got a little bit of onion, just a little bit of onion. If y'all can see it, it's a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of jalapeno. Cause I love spicy food. Just so y'all know, your girl love the spice. Y'all excuse me, I'm holding the camera with my hand. But I want y'all to see that I'm cooking some spinach stew. I think it's called Ifo Roro, but I ain't putting no meat in mine, y'all. So I kind of want to put some mushrooms in it. I think I'm gonna put the mushrooms in there because I don't want them to go bad, and I've had them for a couple days. They in the refrigerator. I want to cook them, y'all. I think I'm gonna cook. All right, y'all. So I let that cook down just a little bit. My ginger stuff. I'm gonna add some onion, some bigger pieces of onion in there. So, cause I saw somebody do that, and I kind of like me some onion, y'all. I loves me some onion. So we're gonna cook that down. Let me turn it up just a little bit. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna crank it up just a tad. I love African food, y'all. Y'all know that. I love me some African food. So I'm gonna let these get a little bit of soft, and then we're gonna add our tomato and our bell pepper mixture. This is the palm oil that I use, grade A Nigerian palm oil, and that's one of the Nigerian guys that work in the store that I shop in. He told me to get that one, so I just want to show you that. Alrighty, so I let it go for a little bit, y'all. We're gonna add our tomato and bell pepper mix. Line science. Where is it? So yeah, we're gonna add that in there like that, y'all. And we're gonna let that fry a little bit in that oil. Gonna let it fry. I'm gonna season it now, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm seasoning with. It's not the traditional seasonings that they use, but I'm using some Kinder's seasoning blend. Smart Way Italian seasoning. Paprika, because they do add that in there. Paprika in there. Now we just gonna let this fry in this little bit of I kind of want to add a little more palm oil, y'all. I love that stuff. Okay, so we just gonna let that go for a few minutes, y'all. We got it seasoned. Gonna let that go for a few minutes. Ground crayfish. I'm gonna add just a little, cause a little goes a long way. I did add just a little bit of shrimp powder and a little bit of crayfish powder, and I'm gonna add just a little bit of chili powder. So we're gonna add just a little bit of chili powder, and that's it. Just a tap. Boom. A little chili powder and a little salt. A tap of salt. We don't want it too salty. But we do want some flavor because we got to get that spinach in there. So we got all our seasonings in there, y'all. I'm going to mix this up just a little bit. Sorry for all the movements, y'all. I'm sorry for all the moving. We're just letting this fry down a little bit. And that good old palm oil. And then I'm gonna add my spinach in about, I'll give it about 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna add my spinach. So I'll be right back to add the spinach, y'all. And I think I'm gonna add the mushrooms too. So we'll be back in just a second. Okay, y'all. So here's my spinach. I got fresh spinach. I had a whole lot of spinach. So we're gonna wash all our spinach up, y'all. Getting it all cleaned up here. Getting it all cleaned up. And, yeah, I'm just gonna clean it up. It was already cleaned and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna clean it on up even more. And then we're gonna dry it, baby. And then we're gonna put it in our soup. And I got one thing of one thing of mushrooms. Hold on. I got one thing of mushrooms. They whole. Let's get these sliced up and let's get the rest of our spinach clean, and then I'm gonna get it in. So hang on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I cut up I just broke them in half. I broke them into like 3 pieces, and we're gonna just add them in like that. We're gonna add that in. We're gonna let those cook down. Where's my spoon? Child, where my spoon is? Okay, we got our thing. So we're gonna let those just cook down, y'all, in there. I'm about to add my spinach right on top of this. And we're gonna let that do its thing, y'all. So those are gonna cook down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my spinach on top. So I'll be right back to show y'all what it look like in 3 minutes. All right, y'all. So this is it after I let it cook for about 5 minutes, the mushrooms. So here they are. There it is, y'all. I added just a little bit of water before I covered it. So that's it, y'all. That's how it's looking. The mushrooms are quite done. I'm sure they soft and tender. So we're getting ready to add our spinach in. So let's add our spinach, y'all. Hold on 1 second. All right, y'all. So we got the spinach in. I'm trying to see, can I get it? I'm gonna cover it up in just a second here. But yeah, I'm gonna let it wilt down, y'all. Good fresh green spinach. I got this from the food pantry, y'all. And so yes, it is so good. I think I want to add a little bit of this habanero sauce, just a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit, just a little. Let me add just a little bit, y'all. Hold on, y'all. So we added just a little bit right there, just a little bit. Give it some little heat, because I don't think my jalapeno peppers too down in there, y'all. We got all that goodness in there. Get that habanero sauce down up in there, and we're gonna let this cook, y'all. Okay, we're just gonna let this cook down, y'all. I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna cover it, and we're gonna let it cook for about 5 or 10 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. So here we go. Moment of truth. It's been 10 minutes, and we're gonna take the top off, and voila! Look at that. Do y'all see that? It is all done. Oh yeah, spinach is all done. There we go, y'all. Look at that. Everything is done. It is. Yes, I'm about to tear this up, baby. I'm about to tear it up, y'all. So this is my no meat spinach stew, better known as Ifo Rero. I may be wrong. I think it's like E4 re-roll. I'll find out and I'll put it on here so you'll know the name of it. But yeah, that's it, y'all. And you know, you can always add your meats, but I didn't want any. So yeah, I may do me a little side of rice and still fix the fufu as well. But yes, honey, I'll show y'all when I plate it up. So yes, let's eat. Well, after I make fufu. But that is it, y'all. There it is. So yeah. Alrighty, y'all. So I came outside to eat my food. That is my soup. Look at my stew, y'all. Look at it. And I got some white rice. Yes, honey. And my pepper. My habanero pepper mix. I'm about to add it on here, y'all. I'm about to add a little bit. It's got a little palm oil in it too, I think so. Yeah, we about to taste this, y'all. I'm about to eat. So hang on, y'all. Yeah, I'm about to eat. I'll catch y'all in the next video. But this is it, y'all. This is what I want to show y'all. There is my spinach stew, all the good onions, the red peppers, and the mushrooms look so yummy. White rice. And my pepper. I'm about to eat, y'all. Catch y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.